Ungqongqoshe wezokuThuthukiswa koMnotho, ezoLimo nokuThuthukiswa kwezindawo zaseMakhaya eGauteng uVuyiswa Ramokgopa usedalule izinto ezibalulekile emnyangweni wakhe nokuyilapho ezwakalise khona ukukhathazeka ngemibiko yenkohlakalo, ukungaphathwa ngendlela efanele kanye nokuxhashazwa kweinsiza kahulumeni einhlakeni ezingaphansi kwesandla sakhe. Ekhuluma kwisithangami sabezindaba eGoli namuhla ngezithuba zasekuseni, uRamokgopa uthi ke selokho engenile esikhundleni ngombasa kulonyaka usebe nezingxoxo nezinhlaka zomnyango ukuhlola izinselelo zokuphatha kanye nokusebenza okuthinta lo mkhakha. Uthi ke umnyango usugxile ekwakheni kabusha kwezikhungo, ukubuyisela ubuqotho kanye ke nokuvuma amaphutha lapho enzeke khona ukuze kubuyiswe ukwethembeka emphakathini kanye nokuhlinzekwa kwezidingo ngqangi.
Umphathiswa wezophuhliso lwezoqoqosho ezoLimo nophuhliso lwasemaphandleni eGauteng uVuyiswa Ramokgopa unike inkcazelo kumajelo endaba malunga nezona zinto ezibalulekileyo kwelisebe ze wanika nombono jikelele wezinto eziza kuqala kuye.
Our priorities for this administration are therefore clear and non-negotiable. As per the GCR Economic Growth and Development Plan 2030, we are targeting 3% GDP growth by 2030. We are also facilitating the creation of north of 300,000 sustainable jobs. We are building an investment-friendly Gauteng, driving regional integration. And we are strengthening leadership and enforcing good governance across every institution entrusted with public resources. And lastly, we are responsible for generating revenue for the province so that we can continue to deliver on our service delivery mandate.
uRamokgopa ucangathe nakwingxelo yezenzo ezigwenxa zobuqhophololo kuquka namanyathelo athathiweyo.
It is deeply concerning, therefore, that since assuming office 6 weeks ago, I have been inundated with whistleblower reports, many of whom have requested to remain anonymous, citing various instances of misconduct, malfeasance, and maladministration at the gambling board. Further to this, I have also been furnished with the final forensic investigation report into the affairs of the Gauteng Gambling Board prepared by an independent legal team led by Advocate Mukare. This report reveals procurement irregularities, financial misconduct, breaches of the Public Finance Management Act, failures in oversight and the abuse of public resources.
Umphathiswa uthe ujonge lukhulu kutshintsho oluhle lelisebe oluza kufezekiswa kukusebenza nzima nangokubambisana. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eGoli.